Today I am reviewing the Suevery Prebuilt Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are hunting for a brand new gaming PC that delivers a sleek aesthetic, smooth performance, and doesn't absolutely destroy your bank account, you have probably run across the Suevery Prebuilt White Tower desktop. Today we are breaking down exactly what this budget-friendly machine brings to the table, who it is actually for, and whether it deserves a spot on your desk. Let's dive right in. First impressions matter, and Suevery definitely understood the assignment when it comes to visual design. The very first thing you notice when pulling this machine out of the box is its clean, modern, striking white chassis. In a market where almost every budget PC is a generic, boring black box, this white tower immediately stands out. It gives off a premium, high-end vibe before you even plug it in. Once you boot it up, the customizable RGB lighting system comes to life. The RGB fans don't just keep the system cool. They turn the entire desktop into a visual centerpiece. You can easily adjust the colors and lighting modes to match your mood, your room, or the rest of your gaming peripherals. If you want a clean, minimalist setup during the day and a vibrant, pulsing gamer aesthetic at night, this case effortlessly bridges that gap. Of course, looks only get you so far. What actually matters is what is happening on the inside. Let's talk about the heart of this machine, the processor. Suevery has outfitted this rig with an AMD Ryzen 5 core processor, running at a base clock speed of 3.6 GHz and boosting up to 4.1 GHz. This CPU is a certified workhorse for budget builds. Because it features 6 dedicated cores and a massive 32 MB level 3 cache, it handles modern applications with ease. For day-to-day multitasking, content creation, and running background apps while you play, this Ryzen chip provides an incredibly stable foundation. Now, let's address the graphics department. This build features the Nvidia GeForce RTX 3050. While the listing notes a 6 GB variant and the description mentions a 4 GB footprint, what you need to know is the real-world performance. The RTX 3050 is designed to be an entry-level powerhouse for 1080p gaming. Because it is part of the RTX family, you get access to crucial modern features like ray tracing for realistic lighting, and more importantly, NVIDIA's DLSS, or Deep Learning Supersampling. DLSS uses artificial intelligence to upscale your games, giving you a massive boost in frame rates without sacrificing visual clarity. If you're looking to play popular titles like Fortnite, Valorant, Minecraft, Apex Legends, or League of Legends, this machine will absolutely breeze through them at smooth, competitive frame rates. A common issue with pre-built budget PCs is that manufacturers love to skimp on RAM and storage. Fortunately, Suevery didn't make that mistake here. This desktop comes equipped with 16 GB of high-speed DDR4 RAM running at 3,200 MHz. 16 GB is widely considered the sweet spot for modern computing. It means you can have your game running, Discord open for voice chat, music playing in the background, and dozens of browser tabs open without experiencing a single stutter or system slowdown. For storage, you get a 512 GB M.2 PCI NVMe solid-state drive. If you're still used to old-school, traditional spinning hard drives, using an NVMe SSD will feel like absolute magic. The manufacturer notes it operates up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive, and you feel that speed instantly. Your PC will boot up in just a few seconds, apps will launch instantly, and game loading screens will fly by before you even have time to check your phone. While 512 GB is enough to hold your operating system and several of your favorite primary games, the tower architecture makes it very easy to plug in additional storage down the road if your game library starts to overflow. One of the biggest hidden dangers of pre-built computers is poor airflow, which leads to overheating and loud jet engine fan noises. Suevery avoided this pitfall by optimizing the internal cooling design. The combination of the white tower's internal layout and the pre-installed RGB fans ensures that air flows efficiently across your components. Even during intense, hours-long gaming sessions or heavy streaming workloads, the system manages to maintain incredibly stable optimal temperatures. What makes this even better is how quiet it is. The fans are engineered to keep noise levels down, providing a whisper-quiet environment. Whether you are concentrating on a difficult project for work, attending a quiet online meeting, or trying to hear subtle enemy footsteps in a tactical shooter, you won't be distracted by a roaring computer tower sitting next to you. Let's talk about connectivity, because a gaming PC is only as good as its connection to the outside world. This bundle includes built-in Wi-Fi 6 technology. Wi-Fi 6 is a massive leap forward from older wireless standards. It offers ultra-high-speed networking, significantly lower latency, and much more stable connections, even if you have a dozen other devices connected to your home router at the same time. This makes it perfect for lag-free online gaming, smooth video conferencing, and seamless high-definition media streaming. If you prefer a wired setup or have lots of gear to plug in, the back and front panels have you covered. It features a generous array of multiple USB ports, including 2 high-speed USB 3.0 ports for fast data transfers from external drives, and 4 USB 2.0 ports that are perfect for your mouse, keyboard, headset, and webcam. Speaking of webcams, Suevery explicitly highlights this machine for streaming. Thanks to the 6-core Ryzen processor and the dedicated hardware encoder inside the GeForce graphics card, this PC can easily handle streaming your gameplay directly to platforms like Twitch, YouTube, or Kick while maintaining playable in-game performance. It serves as an excellent, accessible entry point for aspiring content creators. To wrap things up, the Suevery Prebuilt White Tower Gaming PC is a highly compelling package. It successfully avoids the usual traps of budget pre-builts by offering dual-channel 16GB RAM, a lightning-fast NVMe SSD, excellent Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and a reliable cooling system right out of the box. Combined with the processing power of the Ryzen 5 and the modern features of the RTX graphics card, it delivers a smooth, dependable, and highly responsive user experience. If you are a hardcore enthusiast looking to play the absolute latest AAA titles at maximum 4K resolutions, you will obviously need to spend a lot more money. But if your goal is to find a stunning, whisper-quiet, and highly capable desktop for 1080p gaming, everyday multitasking, schoolwork, and entry-level streaming, this Suevery Tower hits the nail right on the head. It looks beautiful on a desk, performs reliably under pressure, and offers incredible value for your hard-earned money. It gets a very enthusiastic recommendation.